Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use joystick in Blynk. So I have taken the joystick and I will control the DC motor by using the joystick. So as you can see here that there is a 2-pin. So in here D5 and D6, but in my application I will use the V5 and V6, but I will use the virtual pin. And as you can see here, this is my circuit diagram digital pin, and you can see I have connected the DC motor, and I use node MCU, battery, and motor driver. So you just follow my circuit diagram, and now I'll show you my code. This is my code. I have defined the motor 16 and 5. In diagram you can see here that I use D0 and D1. D0 means GPIO 16 and D1 means GPIO 5. So that's why I use this 2 pin, and I have declared 2 variable X and Y. So in here you know that to connect with the Blynk's apps we need this code and also Wi-Fi password, and I have declared my pin mode, my two pin output motor A and motor B. And here this is the most important part of this program, and Blynk write V5 as we selected virtual pin B5 and B6, and in here I can write down Blynk write V5, and I store the value in X, the B5 value, and in here also I store the value in Y, the B6 value. It's work like analog read, so that's why I write down here analog read. In here I'm gonna show you how our real circuit will work. This is the Blynk, and I have taken a joystick and I have selected B5 and B6, virtual pin B5 and B6. Now as you can see in my circuit diagram, this is my motor and motor driver and node MCU. So let's try how it's work now. As you can see, if I move this one, my motor is going forward and backward.